Hi dears, welcome back to our class. This is the fifth video of IGCSE paper 11 summer 2020. So we can start solving. Question number 21. At the end of his financial year, Raminder made an adjustment for rent owed by a tenant. How did this affect Raminder's financial statement? Profit, current asset. Rent owed by a tenant. This is outstanding rent receivable. This is an outstanding income. All the outstanding expense or income we add in the profit and loss account. Income or expense we add in the profit and loss account or income statement. So outstanding rent we add with the income, it increases the profit of the business. Next, in balance sheet, outstanding rent, outstanding expense is the liability, outstanding income is the asset. So it goes to the current asset part. So this increase the current asset. So outstanding rent increase both income statement, profit and asset part. So the correct answer is D. 22. The owner of a business took goods for his own use, drawing by goods, but forgot to make an entry in the accounts. What was the effect of this error? Profit, effect in the profit, capital employed. It won't affect the capital employed. Capital employed means capital plus long-term liability. But goods taken for own use. Goods, drawing by goods affect the purchase. Purchase we enter in the trading section to calculate the gross profit. When there is the drawing by goods, we deduct this from the total purchase and this decrease the total cost of sales. But the owner forgot to enter this drawing. It must be overstated the cost. Overstated purchase. Purchase overstated means cost overstated. When cost overstate, what will happen? Cost overstate means actual profit will understate. So the correct answer, profit will understate and no effect on the capital employed. So the correct answer is C. Question number 23. Rajit and Sunil formed a partnership on 1st April 2019 but did not prepare a partnership agreement. They provided the following information: capital given, drawing given, their share of work given. They decided to draw up a partnership agreement for future years. Which item would be most beneficial to Rajit in 2020? Here, before they were not keeping any partnership agreement. So, if there is no partnership agreement, as per the Partnership Act, no interest on drawing and no interest on capital. So, they decided to follow a partnership agreement means they can go with interest on capital, interest on drawing as per their decided proportion. So, here the question is, which is the most beneficial? So here, if they are following partnership agreement, Rajit and both partners, they will get interest on drawing and interest on capital. While here, which is the more? Capital is 40,000 to Rajit while drawing is 5,000. So the proportion of interest on capital will be more. So the most beneficial item means interest on capital only. The correct answer is A. Next, 24. Harry and Jane are in partnership. The following information relates to Harry for the financial year. They are given one table. The opening credit balance on Harry's current account was 28,200 credit balance. What was the closing balance of his current account? So we can draw a current account. Current account, increasing capital items we put on the credit side, decreasing capital item we put on the debit side. So first balance, credit balance brought down 28,200. Next, salary. Salary will increase his capital. So we put it on the credit side, salary 8,000. Next, drawing. Drawing will decrease his capital. So it goes on the debit side, 2,800. Again, share of profit, it increases capital. It goes on the credit side, 4,600. We are taken all the amounts. So we can balance 40,800 credit side, balancing, minus 2,800, 40,800 minus 2,800. So balance carried down is 38,000 and brought down 38,000. So our correct answer is 38,000. Option B is the correct answer. 25. Which item is shown in the income statement of a company and statement of changes in equity? Income statement, company calculate the profit of the company, and statement of changes in equity, it shows the changes in the equity part or capital fund of the business. First, they are given interest on debenture. Interest on debenture is the expense, it shows on the income statement only. So that is not correct. Ordinary share, only income statement. Profit for the year. Yes, profit for the year. First we calculate in the income statement. Then we enter in the statement of changes in equity in the retained earning column. So option C is the correct answer. Option D, transfer to general reserve, also goes to the statement of changes in equity. So the perfect option is option C. Hope all are clear with today's class. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you.